11 points separate Manchester City and Cardiff City in the Premier League table after 5 games played.
I'm fascinated with Man City. They seem to be all over Cardiff, but not actually putting the finishing touch.
Oh, got it right on
there we
cue.
are.
The main man.
On cue. Right, and guess who's got it? Let's guess who's got it. Let's go back to Hamish Marshall.
It's Sergio Aguero, his 6th goal of the season.
Plays the cross in, it's flicked on towards the back post. 2-0 to City. Bernardo Silva. Gundogan goes for it and scores 3-0, and that might be the pick of the bunch. A great hit from Ilkay Gundogan to make it Cardiff 0, Manchester City 3. What a strike from Ilkay Gundogan. Sensational stuff. City now 3-0 to the good just before the break. Around the back of Mendy. Edison makes the grab. First change, we'll see Riyad Mahrez brought on to replace Sergio Aguero. Sterling plays through. Delivered across, and this time it's finished off in the centre. Riyad Mahrez opens his account for Manchester City. Sané, always looking for Foden. Plays instead to Sterling though. Along to traffic, it's been taken back by Riyad Mahrez! For his second goal of the afternoon.
I'm very happy to have scored my first goal for the team. It took a while to arrive, but I knew it will arrive, and I knew when it will come. I will keep going my work and try to help the team as much as I can.